Hey smart home enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to update the security of your home or office? Maybe you've moved into a new place, or perhaps you've just forgotten your old code. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to reprogram your Tru-Bolt electronic keypad lock and your Honeywell electronic keypad lock. This is a crucial skill for any electronic lock owner, and we'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get that code updated. Understanding your Tru-Bolt. Honeywell electronic lock. First things first, let's understand the basics of these popular electronic locks. Both Tru-Bolt and Honeywell are known for their reliable security and user-friendly designs. Whether you have a deadbolt or a lever lock, the reprogramming process for Tru-Bolt locks and Honeywell locks is surprisingly similar. The key is knowing your master code or having access to the interior of the lock. Section 2. Essential preparations before reprogramming. Before we start reprogramming, a couple of quick checks are essential. Check battery life. Make sure your electronic keypad lock has fresh batteries. Low power can sometimes interfere with programming. Locate the program button. For most Tru-Bolt and Honeywell electronic locks, there's a small program button on the interior side of the lock. You might need to remove a battery cover or the entire interior plate to access it. This button is your gateway to changing codes. Section 3. How to reprogram your Tru-Bolt electronic keypad lock. Alright, let's get into the specifics for Tru-Bolt electronic keypad locks. Follow these steps carefully to reprogram your Tru-Bolt lock. Open the door. Ensure the door is open and unlocked before you begin. Access program mode. Press the program button once on the interior side of the lock. You should hear a beep or see the keypad light up. Enter existing master code, if applicable. If your lock has a master code, enter it now, followed by the lock button or a specific program button again. Enter new user code. Input your desired new 4 8-digit user code. Choose something memorable but secure. Press the lock button. After entering your new code, press the lock button or the specific program button again to confirm. Confirmation. You should hear a long beep or see a green light indicating successful reprogramming. Test the new code. Close the door, but don't lock it fully. Enter your new code to ensure it works. Always test with the door open first. Section 4. How to reprogram your Honeywell electronic keypad lock. Now, for those of you with a Honeywell electronic keypad lock, the process is very similar, but pay attention to any subtle differences. Here's how to reprogram your Honeywell lock. Open the door. Keep the door open and unlocked. Locate the program button. Find the program button on the interior assembly. It might be labeled A or B depending on your model. Enter program mode. Press the program button once. The keypad should illuminate. Enter current user code or master code. Enter the existing user code or the master programming code if you have one. Press the lock button. Press the lock button after entering the current code. Enter new user code. Type in your new desired 4 to 8-digit code. Press the lock button again. Confirm your new code by pressing the lock button. Confirmation. Listen for a confirmation beep or a series of flashes indicating success. Test the new code. With the door still open, try your new code to make sure it functions correctly. Special tips and FAQs lost master code? If you've lost your master code for either Tru-Bolt or Honeywell, you might need to perform a factory reset. This usually involves removing the batteries, holding down the program button while reinserting them, or a similar sequence. Check your specific locks manual for precise instructions on resetting electronic locks. Troubleshooting. If your new code isn't working, double check that you entered it correctly. Ensure the batteries are fresh. Sometimes simply restarting the process helps. Multiple user codes. Many electronic keypad locks allow for multiple user codes. Consult your manual to learn how to add additional codes after you've set the primary one. This is great for family members or trusted visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to reprogram your Tru-Bolt electronic keypad lock and your Honeywell electronic keypad lock. Keeping your codes updated is a simple yet effective way to enhance your home security. We hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more smart home tips, product reviews, and how-to guides. Got questions about your specific lock model or other electronic locks? Leave them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to help you out. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.